And the attack can say, just give time, some time to expose time. Okatakyie Afrifa bones, any the reason show or this year, but I bet clash with Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian. I mean, my twin is new Ralph DeFellow man. Oh, my bet clash with him. F00L was surfacing on the internet. Ralph no, I call Rich Hospital na hono. I call Sebasa ewo hono. Afrifa, then the reason show this year, but oh, my bet Nyansa. Egu Ralph trim. Nyansa pa, omo di bia be wura ni trim. I have Penyah block media. Best was say any demo. Obe like if you do know that my boss subscribe button and subscribe to the notification icon for latest updates. Number chire wa join the amame e wo comment section. Best was baswa. No wa share video more for enya bi ahwe. Etian kwa chire kakra. Obeka last year August mu say ye. And our mere demonstrations be our Ghana has stop Galamsey now demonstration, and it was such a violent demonstration. There's a demonstration we are blocking road leading to 37 military hospital.
The away 37 military hospital. Highway na da hono aha no na boys abegusu a chese omo bobo hono ma enya agro kra. They say protesters are no more reoccupy Jubilee House no. Omo na omo aye sade we ya enya agro kra e wa ha say. They say highway no ma je aboso a adane football field aha omo ye. Chese enya agro they say omo dane ha football field omo bobo a enya agro kra. They say highway no adane football field omo bobo enya agro kra. So what I say it omo chowu into groups a ebi bobo e wa ha na ebi nso wa ha say a omo bobo enya agro kra. What I say enti nia esi e wa ha say 37 aha aya ayini nie so ho Kwame Nkrumah ayino enesi wo no a wo ne ntoma atete so
Emma afiku we sekono de road no ma blocking no kwan ni mu eno mu bobo e wo kwan so abra ambulances any other thing nyina nipa gumu a ye pese di mu ba hospital no na nkwasiafo ya block kwan all because Ralph ye champion bibia on champion agenda no o ma blocking road leading to 37 military hospital. Emma people say Ralph question say Ralph are there nyanse bia ni because Moses stop Galamsey demonstration e ho na mo ye ntu Galamsey wo ho e kwan na ma block na Moses mo bia enko because Ralph asim nyina ne say omo motika etwa mu kon by force obia ensimra me join demonstration nya say say mu nsima de ne oman no hu hiam ye so e ma mo kwai Ralph asim nyina no e manefo akọ e bai e be confront Ralph ebusa no say ada we na ambulance na be ka akire say obi hu a e de na benya Ralph etimi hwenyamanu bi na no kan say Ghana moa bebrebe sebe Ghana moa bebrebe seba ko pewa na aye de
what do you want? What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye there. And I'll buy him. I said I'm making less sense. It doesn't make sense to me. Get traffic. What's up? What I was saying will come at the gun. Bra. Go hospital. What's all come at the gun? Now why you charge that way?
Okay, we no wo dwane. NSS Sunday no, according to Ralph, was when motor accident. Emma just say we pray call Rich Hospital no. Nurses for no, obi aye busy emergency ward, obi aye busy, o wan attend to Ralph. Into the Ralph ekoko paye ho no. Emma na Rich Hospital no Ralph eye no hu bi pay yi okomo ho. Ralph eye no hu bi enra, eni no achi. Emma afia shading akra be can be ched enra. There was an Afrifa ene the reason show this year ba. Omo be Kenyansa ache Ralph. Omo just say the nipa gu no. Enwa na wotwa.
Anope BBSC ewo UGMC hospital na say Rich Hospital. Ralph boy or their friend Ralph. Ena ne namfofo ni ena accident ato wom emergency ato wom na na wura ho sam say wo twa video na wura be ho wo go do hospital no the emergency response and I say doctors in necessary say to pay attention to them no enye sa nete ama mrantie no enya bri mpacho ko the reason show you to the full video no. Now question is say baby a Ralph eye video ni fia boys na nia bria wo munya doctors ko be bo mo no police abem no whose responsibility health professionals na wo no wo mo adwuma na say na wo ma patients e bate ase say in as much as mudi ni pa ba hospital no enye nurse ni bia na say so no yenim sa de no doctors mu kire patients and I say ni pa ba ho no anas mun nurses na mo ho no any doctors no say obidi obi a wapira aba na say obi a wo emergency situation mo ba say na mo kire citizens no because ja ko hwe video na no thing ya say odi nipa aba na enipa no ususu say nipa na iwu na ko ye ne ye no because tie video na Ralph say one mo say dey I had a higher Ghana just say ye jawa to am wu based on the oka na no kre na say ye nya nipa no record so a ye doctor bi betimi attend to nipa no ana I mean these are critical matters ye be emotions afrim utie the Ralph video na a pop up na wo ye no a it seems say nipa bi ye negligence they don't care because oka bibi kra say I ade omo mfa ho obeku UK akwakoye pampers akoyi pampers on the name of care ye no kre ana say yen na nim say nyesa wodi nipa wura hospital na nurse ni bia na doctor ni bia beso mu based on specific conditions ni chere nurse ni na doctor ni obeba ho yenim sade no oman ni yenyini ese yi emotions free na ye chere nipa de many pa hu as case ni dia ba no emergency a ye wo doctors a omo attend na say nurses and say nurse ni bia ba hu bia no ese o tie wana I had the reason so asam na no de but videos na Ralph aya about Montano. Important say UGMC hospital will come out and explain the situation at hand because now police for Aston Meho or boys in their boy hospital. But who now yes citizen do you know say and now found one who share nurse on some idea. No one few say on your juma year and it is their command they say they should attend to every patient. I had the reason to try again.
Nursing training no so na womo dani womo amebe komasem e say my brand and some neka e say womo aba be komasem womo so ma ya adwuma say bo so me makoma akọ nwotwe ne yetua omoka nurse fo na eka ye wie ye no womo say ya adwuma ana branch ye onenam Ghana ye so ye fellow de ben ni trimu afu se 10 days ayi bomfa bodam ni 10 days na wasa wa bu womo was one emergency no obu omo Ralph wan yeah fix the country nam just what dia kuma pa na you NDC and winia na minim se na me dageta buom ene sa branch was dia ni moje etu na nya branch we na ayi wogina 37 na obi be wu a oka se mmuwa obi wa na ede na Ralph moje etu na ye hwe wa na ye de be obi be wu and I know say muai ba ku wa na yedai na Ralph so akodu na moje atu ni ya hwe wa afa ya bonus fo yo abranche yi bonus fo hey me mo video no kwa ha metai true sir ha metai kura na wo ye ne wo ye makola na odidi akiri fix the country days no odidi me ni Oliver achi a afa edu ba bi ye na okoka Ibrahim ama asem a no onu mom no so ye ayi freedom fighter no odi matem meteni nyina na we de wonye me target na afa ne no yentie video yentie
What are you telling me? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? What sense does it make? Now, what solution are the points? People are dying. What do you want? What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye there. And I'll buy him. I said I'm making less sense. It doesn't make sense to me.
Yo, Oliver, maybe a branch, me who safi no, ye dambi, ne freedom fighter bia. And I saw a Mataya complex, something called Mataya complex. All of a sudden, he sees himself as the one fighting for the nation. Edimon Kanasimbu. Me who so did matter bia. Na enano was say Ghana mua bebrebe obi wa na ede. Na Ralph no moje tu na yenhwe wa. Wo no de oye nipa chen de no wu no. To asusa. Na minim so dwen say abrasiveness ne de oye no na. Na we wo bu nurse for ayi regional. Ana nurse for ne be cancel. Na ni finance for be no me come asem. Nurse for no ye nom so 8 months ni 7 months ni entua ye ka tie ne ko jan ye boko jan ye ntie nurse for ye
Medindi nurse Gladys. I'm here to talk about our salary issues. We are 2020 main batch and we were being cleared last year August 2024. We had our appointment letters and assumption of duty. That was 2024. We have been working for 9 good months. This is our 9th month without salary, nothing, no motivation.
Gobi na nurse ni ye mama ye ntwaka akombekun na nurse ni ye ntwanaka e dia ho ya fama ni so nkofo no beku obo atu ho chebe no de be say na nurse for ye tu omo kakwa no mo attitude ti say no on nurse ni 9 months ye ntua ne ka because yes MPP for ne fa wo hey say no mind do your mind do no say MPP for ne fa wo eti ye ntua ne ka wow nurse for you o macro ene se ko anu be kumprofo because ye ntua ne ka dia boni be ba ntrim si ye ntua ne ka what in phone so a won fa ho ti microphone be wu hospital eti ye ntua na se fo ne ka wo na fellow one wan say abu omo yi na ka mu ye ka freedom fighter de ka we ni akukun bi mo omo si ye ntua omo ka yi na motivation course exactly freedom fighter do you know and you are na side ya kayade ko ye manfo no and it's a wako na emergency.
This is how I'd learn AI in 2025. Watch this.
Teenagers are building businesses with AI, while the only AI you know is
fighting. Ye nyane sa na me pede wo ye no toaso why o say ya toaso sa dani nurse ni be ma ba kono so fa ne bra no so me kana sem why me de me ni hweka nurse for ni teacher for de mo be kan one me report me de me ni bi kan why ye ntie we so no ma fonfon kura o mani kan kra ni nyine pipi if se kom nko no mo de adwuma na we gina we na kwan be no be so be adwuma ye ntie no
me free sinyane na me ba ha and in fact how me can me free sinyane wa. And as a matter of fact, a nurse a nursing officer, me 9 months. Me one city just imagine. And there when they say okay juma I mean say juma or papa say juma when now for money in say juma. Yeah, the passionate abe nurses. Now so we are not even getting a penny for whatever we are doing. And the fact is that regardless of your payment status, okay juma so juma say the city. If we say
yeah Obi I can bro phone chere me yina se phone free so o ma go come asem media mo kana me mo go come asem why nurse for mo nyere mo ho ave go bi minimum wi no ay regiment langas no police for na show mo chi more fire IGP you no ya ka chiro pain police for no either say muchine langas and amone langas for na yadwuma nioma mienu munchine dia ko stop you regiment no free regiment no nyene confiteni o regiment no inspectors free regiment no nyene afa o mo ho a ya say ayi woma di court no nsamo so ni ade akura abusua bi de no more Kofi Anum family and omo de regiment no akọ so omo nsa asibi about 100 and something acres the regiment no nsa ase ni nyina nso about 900 plus acres and omo de court no manfo bi abeto tonsa ase ni bi afri regiment no Kofi afra bi innocent third party purchaser sesa asase da ho na wo sabio ya media obi amfa men court na wo bi foforo bi ba betobi na akire no sa wo de court so wo win judgment di oba beto obi no ono de wo ye innocent third party purchaser eno ne ye friend equities darling na equities darling no emra ne bo ne ho ban e so no oba beto asase no no nim se mansum bia wo so etu okira ntimi nkonko je aye judgment ma na amfa me terrorize sa aye manfo no dem go there say afa yes wo bi ayi wo ba bi a friend Chantel so dey wono no akose ayi numo Kofi Anum for family achi anu mo ya ade no mo so mo nya judgment no mo nya judgment no afa ye ba ne ade akofa ayi langas sister say wonya enforcement of judgment ka the police for na be ye no wo mo kofa langas for go bi ni ye breaki ayi was ni ade mo ye no ano na 13 August ya regiment no so akwa stay of execution ne ye de ba high court no wo mo high court no asa bo decision no over 10 ani ade ni o ma bebiri etika munya no ovi After Atolangas, I de boom man forward, Regimano Holler, and if a video no, ni idea. Ya bo security for you now. Ya and bo video no. Na man for anywhere. After Regimano security, head of security, and ya de langas akon ye bono. Na branch ye bi shejalabia blue. Mo kaisa ablekuma. The same guy.
More fire.
After you say Baba, where your friend is Sante, you need to mobile security. Adiabano. Mokai Sabranti. Mokaino. Mokai Sabranti Ablekuma. And we are allowing this nonsense to go on. After yes, over far, yes, Baba are on the IGP free. Chantel on the IGP free. Over fire, yes, you are on the Penyah free. Over fire, yes, one. And one more terrorizing. Said to the extent, say, even regiment war, Wababu Bunina, I will Danny for one Babachere. I will bra court to Amma order 13 years of Munyanse Munio Mudi, Omso Munyai, and Yogusu Bubu war. Oh, regiment war. Yogusu Bubu war. Na police phone yebusa question. Ya so called Regina. So called yeah. Na Regina for na bomani achiro se. Aba we asem na okay. Shante ya asem na okay. One day one police impany phone power. E di IGP said the mete ayi Angela Femre bi amekan. Se wonim ho hwe dia. And ye do did in semone.
More fire.
So wonim ho hwe a. We ma kan ma chiro ba bi kro.
Me se Ghana on ase ye ma ho kwan ma nkwasiafo edi nkwasiasem okro mu a too much. Ralph we enye Ghana na politics ye tan Ralph we enye onu na nsenya enche biai okọ block 37 kwan aye cars ye be ka no se Ghana fo ye moa nti bi wu mu kra enye hwe kwasia no no de oye nipa wonu oye nipa me say NDC ma hwe ya nkofo nkwasiafo se ya eja mu be den mwaka mu wo opposition no anu wo jimi wo 37 wo no mu na mu sorry ye be support no won se mo ba power no ye the same thing anase for no mu nye nipa on anase for omu de omu nye nipa o ma ye juma 8 months ye ntua o moka anase for 8 months ntua o moka na nipa no ye juma 8 months ntua ne ka wo pe so sorry a wo sere na wo kwatena adwuma wo ye juma 8 months ni ntua o ka wo be juma ubeto akoso ayejuma ya Ghana for ya bibi haye ya dwen yejuma ntisa obi ti say Ralph we so ehu ni hu say we social media activist we kasama ni party no enye mebu no aya basisi a ye mpe akenkan a ya bompon ye ni mu hwe a ko bi ti say Ralph we
wi asi we ho bi pada sani bi go no na wucha na oto odubon so a ebi kan no ma wo sa akwa na yesi afra na Ralph so hwan ni no ma wo social media videos bi ya nenam ho se em se we pra na okọ hospital na nurses for no pay attention to him or so intino na ni abrema a video kasa edinam social media wan wo se ya ba beto aba woni hwan ni fo enwe ana mokosisi ekwan amafo de womo yire num ne womo mma num ne omu kunu num ekọ hospital bosi kwan bummie kwan no na omu nkọ hospital 37 military hospital wo Ralph wo se Ghana fo moa bebrebe ebi wu ana eden na wo kọ de hospital ho aboa ne se bi ne wo aboa be ne chen wo aboa ben ene sen e wo Ghana ha ada na wo de wu mu frim na wo preko hospital se ebehwe na ko ya wo se ya hwe wo ntemti no enne wanya no kasa ya hu ya me na atua wo ka na wonya hu no wo
Chira wa mame wo comment section we nsem wa Afrifa na ode share ba of the reason show abeka we betu a chira wa adwene amame wo comment section ai Penyah Media Accra.